Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Zen to an Xbox controller. First, gather your essential equipment, your Cronus Zen device, an official Xbox controller, and a reliable micro USB data cable. You will also need access to a computer for the initial setup and any necessary firmware updates. Having all these items ready beforehand ensures a smooth and efficient connection process for your new gaming setup. This preparation step saves you time and prevents common issues down the line. Connect your Zen device to your computer's USB port using the micro USB cable, specifically into the PROG port. This powers the Zen and allows communication with Zen Studio software. It is crucial to open Zen Studio and update your device to the very latest firmware version. This step ensures optimal performance and compatibility, preventing many potential issues before you even begin playing. Always confirm you are running current software. Now, take your official Xbox controller and connect it to the A1 USB port on your Cronus Zen. This is a crucial step for establishing the input connection. Make certain you are using a quality micro USB cable that supports data transfer, not just charging. Power down your controller before plugging it in, then allow the Zen to detect and initialize it automatically. You should see indicators on the Zen light up. Next, connect the Cronus Zen to your console or PC. Use the output port on the Zen and connect it to an available USB port on your gaming system. Navigate the Zen's menu, using its small buttons, to select the correct output protocol for your specific platform. For example, choose Xbox One for an Xbox console or PC for your computer. The Zen's display will confirm your selection, ensuring proper communication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.